Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Fidelity HSA, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you navigate the world of health savings accounts with confidence. In this guide, we will explore the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to maximize the benefits of your Fidelity HSA. First, let's start with the basics. A health savings account, or HSA, is a tax-advantaged savings account available to individuals with high-deductible health plans. Fidelity HSA is a popular option, offering a range of investment choices and low fees. To be eligible for a Fidelity HSA, you must have a high-deductible health plan and not be enrolled in Medicare or other health coverage. Now, let's dive into the key benefits of a Fidelity HSA. Contributions to a Fidelity HSA are tax-deductible, and the funds grow tax-free. You can use the funds to pay for qualified medical expenses, such as doctor visits, prescriptions, and hospital stays. Additionally, you can invest your HSA funds in a range of assets, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. To get the most out of your Fidelity HSA, it's essential to understand the contribution limits and rules. For the current year, the contribution limit for an individual is several $1,000s, and for a family, it is significantly higher. You can contribute to your Fidelity HSA through payroll deductions or by making online contributions. Investing your HSA funds is a crucial step in maximizing the benefits of your account. Fidelity offers a range of investment options, including index funds, actively managed funds, and ETFs. It's essential to diversify your portfolio and choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. To use your Fidelity HSA funds, simply log into your account online or through the mobile app and select the investment or expense you want to pay for. You can also use your Fidelity HSA debit card to pay for qualified medical expenses. In conclusion, a Fidelity HSA is a powerful tool for saving and investing for healthcare expenses. By understanding the key concepts, benefits, and rules, you can maximize the benefits of your account and achieve your financial goals. Remember to contribute regularly, invest wisely, and use your funds to pay for qualified medical expenses. With a Fidelity HSA, you can take control of your healthcare finances and secure a healthier financial future.